Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to connect the smart Wi-Fi video doorbell. First, you need to download the app called To See. You can download it from Google Play for Android or Apple App Store for iOS system. Now, let's open the app. Please press the Add Device button. Then make sure the red light is flashing. Then touch the button. And you will jump to the Wi-Fi control page like this. Choose the Open Wi-Fi. Start with To See. Then go back to the To See page. Press Next. And choose your local original Wi-Fi. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Press Next. And last but not the least, set a security password for your device. Also, set a name for your device. And now, you have connected your phone with the doorbell. Thank you for watching. Now, let's try this. Hello world.